Choosing the right Jiu-Jitsu Gi comes down to how you train and how often you train, and what matters to you the most. Before we break down our Jiu-Jitsu line, let me tell you what sets Origin apart from all other Jiu-Jitsu companies. We're the only company in America that gets raw fabric, weaves it, cuts it, sews it, all on American blockchain. And that level of control allows us to innovate, build, and redefine what Jiu-Jitsu Gis look like and how they perform on the mat. Let's start with jackets, because this is where we redefined what a Jiu-Jitsu Gi looks like. And you're gonna feel the biggest difference when you put on an Origin jacket. Let's talk about the Rift 2.0 Gi. It's the most advanced gi in our lineup. This gi features our raptor weave with our spiral cut technology. When we say spiral cut, what we're talking about here is that this gi is put together with panels. With every single panel felled and stitched together, it wraps around your body to fit perfect. It allows stretch over your shoulders, so when you're moving, it gives, but it's also extremely strong. It will never wear out. These patterns and designs on the weave all look like little scales when you get really close to it. And what that does is gonna wick sweat away, throw it off your body. When you're standing in the bullpen, you're not getting cold, you're staying warm, ready for the next competition. This gi is best for someone looking for high intensity training, maximum mobility, lightweight performance, and athletes looking for the most advanced gi. Now let's talk about the Nano Pearl Comp. The Nano Pearl Comp is our classic cut jacket. We like to call it our comp cut. It's gonna fit like most Jiu-Jitsu Gis normally fit, except it's gonna be lightweight, it's still gonna wick away sweat, it's gonna be high performance for high intensity training. It's gonna feel like pearl weaves that you're used to feeling, but we call it nano because when we weave this fabric, we actually weave the pearls a little bit smaller than what you're used to seeing. It's extremely strong, it's gonna hold up in competition, on the mats, at open mats, or in any gym you go to. This gi will become your everyday gi that you will constantly go back to and grab out of your drawer for all of your training sessions. Now let's talk about our Nomad Jiu-Jitsu Gi. This is our lightest gi in our lineup. It's made from our atomic twill fabric, the same exact fabric we use for our pants in the comp cut. So if you're used to wearing our Nano Pearl Comp, this jacket's gonna fit exactly the same. It's made for those hot training days, or if you're someone who's constantly on the move due to business travel or vacation. This thing packs extremely light, washes quick, dries even faster. Even though this is our lightest gi in the lineup, it's still made with the same durability as our Rifts and as our Nano Pearl. Triple stitched, fell seams, an amazing EVA collar foam. It's gonna work for you on the mat. It's an amazing durable gi. Now let's talk pants. Origin Pro pants, the Jiu-Jitsu pant reinvented, re-engineered, that fit like your favorite pair of jeans. We have a yoke on the back of these pants, and we have belt loops and a swivel lock technology with a Velcro fly closure. The moment you put them on, you're locked in, and you can train for hours with no issues. Origin Classic pants. This pant is gonna fit exactly how your traditional Jiu-Jitsu pants fit. It's gonna be fell seamed, it's gonna have a butt strip that covers from front to back and has rope or a belt closure that we send in the package. No matter which gi you choose in our lineup, Origin has the right gi for you, built on the American blockchain. Either going with the Rift or the Nomad, the Classic or the Pro pants, we're ready for you to get on the mats.